I had no idea about all the programs that are available in the Wales Millennium Centre. Radio's been great for me. I've done a little bit of radio, but I hadn't really had a training course, like an accredited qualification. So it really interested me. I came down here, done the 6-week course, and then after that I was able to record my own show, present my own show, and start going to events to interview artists and make lots of content.
I don't wanna live life fast or die too.
The sessions themselves were very structured in going through the different elements of radio with regards to segments and introducing a song and interviews. It's a really friendly sort of environment with a lot of other young people, so you meet people who are also creative or have an interest in radio. After I'd done the training here, I was able to do a show on Radio Cardiff, and then naturally from that I was given the opportunity to do a mix on the BBC Radio Wales Beth and Elvin show. There's so many different art forms that are here available for young people: film, gaming, art, photography, acting, so I'd just say definitely check it out.